Okay, we've been on the trail about 5 minutes now, and I figured, oh crap, I should probably do some sort of intro. Tricky Mickey's behind me, doing Hancock Notch trail loop, hitting Mount Hancock and South Hancock. We decided we have a couple of mountains under our belt, and we're gonna try and do the whole 48 4,000 footers club. Why not? So we start with today's video. And what is it? November, what? Oh Christ, who knows? It's November. We missed peak foliage season. One thing we did learn real quick, I guess they call them peak baggers. So peak baggers are those who want to tackle the Appalachian Trail 48. And we're peak baggers now. So, all right then, we'll see you at the top. Let's go. Oh, yeah, media on media accident right there. Media on media. Kind of creepy. Oh, cool, man. Whoa. All right, eventually you come to the sign here. Obviously, we're going to stay to the left of the Hancock Loop. And let's go. All right. And another small brook crossing. Oh, nation.
Just following that cute butt.
So we're on a trail, and Nicole catches this. Strongest tree ever growing out of a rock. Rock hard, baby. I like that. Let's go. I will say, out of all the trails that we've probably done in the past, this one's pretty neat. You follow the river the entire time. Well, at least majority anyway. I mean, we're just about to hit, I guess, the halfway point. But you follow the river. Pretty sweet. Another one. And another one. Shout out to DJ Khaled. Let's go. Can't get lost out here. Signs everywhere. So cross all those rocks. You didn't take a wrong turn. Trust yourself. We second guessed ourselves for a second, but just read the maps, know where the river is. You'll be all set.
Coming.
Just so you can get some perspective. Nicole coming up the rocks. Going up. Elevation Nation. Look at us. Look at us going up now. Wow.
You're so pretty.
Oh, here's the other one. So they're stalking us. I'm pretty sure people feed them out here. But here's the sign. We're going north. So we made it to the top. I'm not gonna lie, that sucked. You know, oh, look at this bird.
Our bird friends have been following us since, what, a mile
It's crazy,
and a
dude.
half back?
Crazy. But anyways, so here we are. We're gonna go take the loop, but we're gonna go look at the outlook. So we're at the top of Mount Hancock, the north. Let's check the outlook.
Yeah, exactly. Wow. That was a bucket list item. Wild birds eating from my hands like Snow White.
Yo! What was that?
On the fly.
Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Ah.
No.
Disappeared. All right, a sandwich. Feeding birds out of our hands, as Nicole said, for a Snow White moment. Now we're on our decline. A little bit more motivated. This is again the South Hancock Summit, which is actually up this little trail here, about 30 feet that way, and just a scenic drop off, because these summits actually, where the signs are, there's no scenery, so don't expect the scenery at the summit. You're going to travel that 30 feet to the scenic drop. So came out pretty nice, but got about, I don't know, I think 4 miles or something back, and it's 1:30 now. Let's see what time we get back. Whoa. Very glad we're on our way down right now. And we're back at the loop. The rest of this should be somewhat enjoyable. So we're crossing, I think, just the last one that we got to do, and we're on our way back on the last 1.8 miles, and we scared a skunk, man. There was a skunk out there. He sprayed, but it didn't get us. All right, so the GoPro died. So the last video is on the phone. Tips and tricks, I guess, would be stop for your break, hydrate. I'm gonna finish, I think it's about 6 hours with all the breaks and stopping to record, things like that. So there's nothing else to talk about. We got 3/4 of a mile to go. Trail's pretty simple at this point. So hopefully the video helped. Otherwise, thanks for joining Tricky Nicky and I on this little hike, our adventure review. Mount Hancock, South Hancock, 4,000 footers club started today.